My name is Pratama Jayavibho from 7.4 Status 21. Today I want to explaining what I have been researched in Ramadan is the title efforts to construct a sustainable lifestyle by actively including a role in the school organization. In the background is a lot of many words, so I can conclude it in chapter 3 is like the problem is many school organizations have the wrong character building because they ignore sustainable value. School organization activities focus more on big events without considering environmental impacts and prioritize the popular over sustainable value, so that a sustainable lifestyle is not effective. In a student council, there is a big event like last year is about Market Day. In a Market Day, there is a lot of plastic waste in a bin. So maybe student council can to use it 3R is reduce, recycle, and reuse. It can make the plastic is being a good things. And the research question is how are efforts to construct a sustainable lifestyle for MTSB students? And second, how are MTSB students efforts to be able to play an active role in a school organization? That is a research question, and the research objective is to effort construct a sustainable lifestyle for MTSB students, and the second, MTSB student effort to be able to play an active role in the school organization. I take two material from my lesson is science and social. In a science, school organization is a group or pupils who have participated career and determining activities to be a carry out school organization. Also have a little quite or direct in activities carried out by school organization. This can be associated or connected with a solar system because solar system there is a sun as the center and the center of the gravity too in a planet can orbiting like 24 hours in a Earth, and there is a lot of planet. It's like school organization. Students must also obey to order the leaders in the school organization so that activities run smoothly. In addition, the planets move in orbit, reflecting the balance in a sustainable lifestyle, such as 3R principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Helps maintain resource balance and reduce waste. So there is a plastic can be used 3R principle. It can make a good things like we can keep the ecosystem being good and not being endangered. And the conclusion is the school organization will run smoothly because it's like a chairman who has responsibility for our activities carried out. So organization will run smoothly by adhering concept in a sustainable lifestyle. This can be associated with a solar system as the sun, the leader in a solar system, give a responsibility in a form of gravity. Then the planet will be orbit sun. If in the organization, if it takes of students who participate in the school organization. And the next is social. The social has two parts. The first part is opening and connection, and the second is conclusion because the social is a lot of work. And from the opening and connection, school organization is a form of cooperating for participating students. So it can be suitable for a good school. A good school is a school that has superior education, such as MTSB. This is related in a social material, namely ASEAN cooperation. ASEAN is cooperation between Southeast Asian countries. And ASEAN also has cooperated in the fields education, economy, transportation, tourism, politics, and social culture. This expected that MTSB students who participate in school organization are able to cooperate in any field and willing their friends to have difficulty in that field. So in ASEAN there is a lot of program like the one is AFTA, ASEAN Free Trade Area. It's a trade area for Southeast Asian nation. Can be trade anything like steel or student research can be able to buy it in another country like a cheap one. okay. And the conclusion is, in school organization, we must work together for the sustainability of the organization and the school. Also, students who participate in a school organization must work together. So, with student activities carried out by school organization smoothly. So that working together can also be associated with social, material, and the asset cooperation. So, when it's asset-treated area, can it sell anything? There is a lot of plastic waste we can treat art or recycling. It can make good products. Like when a student MTSB making a good product from a plastic waste, you can sell it in another school or another cooperation. You can make a lot of name. So MTSB can be famous. So that's all for the social. I go next to the global conclusion. The first conclusion is effort to construct a sustainable lifestyle in MTSB students through the education and environmental awareness can be done by attending seminar and creating awareness. And the first objective is student in MTSB should have joining campaign or seminar in a media social or maybe in a real lifestyle like in Minum Pucang halls. So it can make the MTSB being good sustainable and the plastic waste in a MTSB can be done. So when it's sometimes people who wants to get it, I want to do something with this plastic waste, I don't know what is it, so it can make the new product can be famous for MTSB. And the second is the effort of MTSB student to be able to play active role in a school organization. By MTSB student in a school organization must be able to work together during activities held ongoing at school, and MTSB student in school organization must also listen word to chairman who are released in our organization implement sustainable lifestyle. In this case can be associated with religious material, namely on congregational prayer that follow movement the imam during prayer. Like in a student council, there is a chairman who lead every activities in a student council. It can make the people who are the member in a student council be good or do it right. That's all for my conclusion and my project research. Any question?
Okay, thank you.
Ya, bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia? Boleh ya. Tadi kamu menjelaskan tentang sampah plastik ya, dan kita di bumi ini banyak ya sampah plastik. Pasti di sekolah ini juga masih ada penggunaan plastik ya. Nah, untuk berikan contoh untuk daur ulang sampah plastik seperti apa ya di sekitar kita ini.
There's a lot like chair. There is new chair is in a Tanggulangin. There is a chair which made it from a plastic bottle with in a recycle bin. And the second is shoes. There is a shoes is being so strong when it's from a plastic. It can be being the plastic good. And the third is air conditioner. Air conditioner from the inside there is a lot of plastic. It can make plastic is good. Any question again, ma'am?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Your project title is effort to construct a sustainable lifestyle by actively including a role in school organization. Based on your explanation before, that school organization is very important.
Yes.
What's the connection between school organization and our sustainable lifestyle?
School organization must be doing a sustainable lifestyle, like promote this school or promote the product from the school being international or international by using a media social. So it can make the school being famous too, and the student council will get a lot of name.
If talking about social media that you said
Yes.
before, you know that technology development rapidly and there's a lot of kinds of social media. But in fact, most of the young generation or teenager cannot do social media wisely. Then you are as a student, in your opinion, how do we need to use social media wisely in this globalization era?
First, looking good contents like education contents, and there is a lot of good news, but this doesn't look at house news because it's so bad. It can make the globalization so bad, and so the sumber daya manusia is going to be decreasing.
Okay. Then talking about school organization, have you joined school organization in this school?
Never before. Maybe I joined a student council, or maybe being leader of US.
Okay. So you want to choose, or you want to apply student council when you are in 8th grade?
8th grade or 9th grade.
Then, if you join student council and your teacher asks you to make a new program that relates with sustainable lifestyle, what the program that you want to use and you want to share to your friends?
Making a poster is about recycling, so it can make many plastic waste can be recycling good. Like in another country, the example is Singapore. In Singapore, there is no plastic waste because every people out there is going to recycling, because there is a poster to cannot membuang in a throw in a park or what, just throw in a recycle bin or in a bin.
Okay, there's a lot of things that you have to do, but why you choose recycling as the main point?
Because there is a lot of plastic in this world. It can endanger the plant, also the animal, and maybe the human can be, there is no resource again.
Okay, talking about recycling in your class, the simple activity that you do that relates with recycling.
Making from like the plastic glass is making for a pencil case. There is glass here, can draw any face or what, and there is a put of pencil at there. It can be a pencil case.
Okay, and then if you find your friend don't want to throw the rubbish into the rubbish bin, you as your friend, their friend, how the way you remind them?
Don't throw it.
Don't do it. Does it?
Don't throw it in a rubbish, because there is a three rubbish. There is a recycle, organic and non-organic. But there is like, my friend is going the organic, throw it in a recycle is not good. So I can say don't throw it at there because it can be any big problem.
Okay, the last question related with religion subject. You choose congregational prayer.
Yes.
What's the connection between congregational prayer with your topic in your project?
In congregational prayer there is a called imam, who is the makmum, just follow the movement of the imam during the prayer, and it's like the school organization. As a being member, just follow the leader. It can be a good something to make, like something to make like the event is being berjalan lancar, or maybe any.
Okay, you said that not all students council member have the same abilities.
Yes.
Or if you join student council and you are a member and your leader cannot have a good exemplar for the other things, how do you remind her or him?
Maybe it's good like this. Don't be like, maybe if new voting for a new leader, like being me join in a student council and the leader is not be able, and there is going to another voting with another friend or people in the school to choose another leader to be a good leader.
Okay, close your presentation.
That's all for my presentation. I hope you understand what I say. I do it 24 hours. empowered more. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.